Hi, I'm John Hirschtick. I'm the general manager of Onshape and Atlas here at PTC, and I want to invite you to join us for our first user conference, totally virtual, Onshape Live. It's Thursday, March 11th, 2 to 6 p.m. US Eastern Time. You can register at onshape.com. Onshape Live is a celebration of our Onshape community. That's you, our customers, our educators, students, teachers, professors from all over the world, application partners building companion products, our channel partners who are selling Onshape around the world, media, industry analysts. We're going to have everyone from the Onshape community together in one place, sharing tips, tricks, best practices. Guarantee no matter who you are, even me, we're going to learn something about Onshape. We're going to learn about features. We're going to learn about best practices. We're going to learn how to organize big companies. We're going to learn how to run our classrooms better. Whatever you're interested in, you're going to learn more at Onshape Live. Best of all, you're going to meet fellow Onshapers who are building the future, building fantastic new products. That is what we're really most excited about here in Onshape, the products you build with it. We'll have keynotes from Jim Heppelmann, the CEO of PTC. I'll be giving you a State of the Onshape Union and maybe the highlight of the whole thing, a sneak peek at future Onshape features never before seen, okay? Probably never will be seen again until they're shipped. New product features, I've seen the list. You're gonna be blown away at seeing the future of Onshape product features only at Onshape Live. You'll even get to meet the development team and all kinds of other Onshapers. So see you there at Onshape Live.